Welcome to this week's workout. For this week, I'm going to do a combo of Pilates HIIT style with some cardio. So we're going to target everything. There's going to be a lot of leg work and you're going to have a lot of fun. You may want to have a chair with you because some of the moves involve balance. So let's get started. So we'll start with a little cardio move to warm up the hips. We're going to do the speed skaters. So it can be done in a high or low intensity. You can take it where you're just stepping, knee-toe alignment forward, or you can do a bit of a hop. So we're going to do that 40 seconds. Just let the arms go, warm it up, getting the heart rate going. Maybe take it a little wider, halfway through. Almost there. Okay, perfect. So now, a bit of balance work. So if you have your chair, you may want to hold on to it. Pick a leg. We're going to take the leg back, reach the arms forward, and then we're going to squeeze back like so. A few more seconds, shake it out. Okay, give it a try. Reach, stretch, and then reach back. Working the back, working the glutes. Heel goes to the behind. Fingers pull towards the knee. A lot of focus. Almost there. A few seconds. 3. Perfect. Okay. Shake it out. We're going to come over to the other side. So also try to keep pulling the belly to the back. Not arching too much into the lower back. Spread the toes of your supporting foot. A few more seconds. Okay, come here, reach, squeeze. I'm on the same leg. I think I'm picking my stronger one. Oh no, there we are. Squeezing back. Try to lift that back knee up a little higher. Reaching. Keep it going. You can do it. There we go. Release that. Shake it out. We're going to come into a little more cardio. So we're going to do the cross country ones, which you can either just lunge back like so, or you're going to do a split hop. All right, 40 seconds. Reaching arms and legs long. Keep up the pace. Keep up the heart rate. Keep it going. 10 seconds. Few more seconds. 2, 1. Okay, perfect. So let's now come into leg work again. We're going to do a curtsy lunge. So you're stepping behind, then you're going to kick one side, then we'll switch the other side for next round. So arms can come out for balance. Chest is lifted. Here and up. So when you lift the leg, try not to hike the hip up. So it won't necessarily go high. That's okay. Create space between the shoulder blades. Reach the fingers away from each other. Watch the alignment of the front knee. Not tipping over to the side. 10 seconds. 3, 2. Great, okay, so switch sides. Again, spread your toes, that'll give you a wider base of support so you have better balance. Arms out, chest lifted. Here we go, cross, and then kick. Up and down. And again. Keep the shoulders dropped away from the ears. And up. Watch that knee alignment. 10 seconds. Good. Okay, shake it out. You know this next one. We're doing jacks. So you can do heel jacks and keep it low, or you can do the full jacks. 5 seconds. Take a moment. Okay, here we go. So whatever option, heels, it's fine. You're keeping moving. There we go. Perfect. Seconds. Almost there. A few seconds. Okay, perfect. Shake it out. All right, so we're gonna come down to the floor. A bit of core, legs again. So you're gonna start here. You're gonna take it up. You're gonna press it up. Right leg, then left leg. And then we come down. We've started. Push up. And roll it down, core tight. Exhale up, push up. And down. So you can bend your knees if you need to. And down. Push up. And down. Almost there, a few more seconds. Push up. Okay, perfect. So come on up and we're gonna flip onto our belly. We're gonna do a little thigh stretch move, but working the back. So come on here. Hands in the back, so we're gonna do feet together twice, and then you're gonna lift and swing forward. And lift and reach. Good. Squeeze the behind, squeeze the heels to the behind. Try to lift the thighs up as you stretch. Few more seconds. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna do get-ups, little move in between. So you're gonna take right foot, lift up, down, switch. And here, and we'll try that for 40 seconds. So you lift up tall, here we go. Down, switch, down, and switch, and down. You don't have to hop, that's a little extra. This does require hip flexibility, so just do what you can. Alternating. Here we go. And again. A few more seconds. Okay, perfect. So you may want to roll up the mat for more, to protect your knees. What we're gonna do is we're gonna work the thighs, hamstrings. Okay, so you're gonna lean back here, and then you're gonna come up. So you lean back, reach, and then up. And up. Press into the tops of the feet to lift you up. Exhale. Grow taller. Keep it going. A few more seconds. Okay, perfect. So let's come onto your back. And we're going to do a butterfly move. So you're coming from flat here, extending, and then you're going to circle around and hug everything in. So let's try that. Strong exhale to pick yourself up. Draw the thighs into the ribs, lengthen the spine. 10 seconds. Almost there. Okay, perfect. Almost there. So this one now, you're gonna be on your knees or toes. You're gonna open up, and then you're either just gonna reach through, or we're gonna be on the toes. So we're coming side plank, starting now, and then you're gonna reach through, press back into downward dog, and open. Press back, reach through, and open. Wrist stays in line with the shoulder as you open. Almost there. A few more seconds. Great, okay. Come on to the other side. You can also do this on your forearm if you find it hurts your wrists or knees, as said before. So whatever option works for you, do what allows you to keep it going for those 40 seconds. Okay, so coming up, and then we'll reach through. And up. And up. A lot of shoulder strength too, so see what works for you. A few more seconds. There you go. All right, we're done. Hope you enjoyed that. I will see you next week.